I bought and paid for this Enjoy Wood Drill Pro 3-in-1 Dowel Jig kit. I paid less than $80 and that included shipping. Best Dowel jig under $100? I think so. Flawless butt joints. Side grain to side grain for panel glue ups. I use inches in my woodworking, and it is in matrix, but I find it extremely easy to use. It's capable of 6, 8, and 10 millimeter dowels. Perfect miters and more. If you're interested in this dowel jig, find a link in the description. Part 2 of this video coming soon will show other capabilities of this jig. So stay tuned.